Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to make a clean home screen on Android. Here are the steps to make a clean and organized home screen on Android. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Remove unused apps. Long press the app icon and choose Remove from Home or uninstall it if you don't need it. Organize apps into folders. Drag one app onto another to create a folder. Name it, for example, Social, Work, Games, Tools, etc. Use minimal widgets. Only keep widgets that are truly useful. For example, is calendar, weather, etc. Delete duplicate widgets. Remove extra clocks, calendars, or search bars. Set a simple wallpaper. Use a plain color or minimal design to reduce clutter. Limit home screen pages. Keep only one or two pages for essential apps. Place most used apps on the main screen. Keep essential apps within easy reach. Use the app drawer. Move less frequently used apps to the app drawer instead of the home screen by removing it to the home screen. Hide notifications on icons. Turn off badge icons if they make the screen look busy. Adjust grid layout. Go to Settings again. Search for Home Screen Grid. Tap the home screen grid. Choose the number. Then hit Apply to reduce the number of icons per page. Use gestures and set up extra icons. Use swipe gestures to open apps or shortcuts instead of adding icons. Review and maintain. Periodically remove unused apps and reorganize folders to keep the home screen clean. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.